Well, guess what I bought about a week or two ago? I bought myself a red toolbox. Mobile red toolbox. Because I was in the military for so many years and we travelled every couple of years, I always made do with small little plastic toolboxes and bags. I had stuff all over the place. So I thought I would lash out. So I bought this years ago, these, whatever you call it. Anyway, let's have a look inside. So I've got all my spanners, my pliers, Allen keys, different sort of shifters, multi-grips, second drawer screwdrivers and box cutters and little delicate ones. Third drawer down I've got 1001 cable ties. I've got marine rope, marine ply. I always use that for tying things down. These go on the back of the door to hold them open. I have a leveler, spirit leveler, a grouting tool, another grouting tool, the old trusty pair of scissors. Now this is a triangle. If you're out on the road you can turn it into a triangle to reflect where you are, safety measure. Actually I'll take that out, that can go in the car where it used to live. Nuts and bolts, nails, different sorts of screws and washers. So you can hang pictures on the wall, all that sort of stuff. Oh, a pocket knife that I found when I was about 10 or 12 years of age, and I'm 68 now, so it gives you an idea how old it is. Probably way older than even that still. And the bottom drawer is my torque wrench. 1, 2, 3 hammers. Another wrench or a bar, I suppose, to loosen the axle on the bike. Different sorts of size connectors for the bar. Another spirit level down the bottom, and different sort of chains for my little saw that I've got. And it's mobile, so I can move it around the garage when I work on my bike, which is what I did earlier today, and you'll see it on a previous video where I fitted the rear hugger. Okay, thanks for watching, and that's my toolbox.